Here's a quick tip. I really like this probe stand by Greystone. The only problem is that there's only 4 probe heads, and I would like to have 6 just so I can also have a multimeter set of probes there. You don't actually need any expensive CAD software. You can simply download the file and bring it into our slicer. So in this case I'm using Prusa Slicer, but you can use Cura or anything else. Simply going to add the model and insert it. We're going to note down the position X and Y, 115.5 by 115.5 millimeters. We're going to copy it, and then we're going to paste the same dimensions here. And now we'll see the model is perfectly on top of each other. Then we're going to move it, and we're going to slide it right until we get the desired effect. In this case, we have 5, and then we can move it again, and now we have 6. So once that's complete, we're going to want to select all, right-clicking, and click Merge. This will actually merge the meshes. Now we can move it back to the middle of the plate and simply slice our model. Now, this is the result.